Open the package box. You will find a full set of IP camera. The IP camera, antenna, power adapter, bracket, small CD, and screw. In the small CD, there is the program and user menu. Look at the camera. Here is the model number. At the bottom of the camera, you will find a label. In the label, there is the username, password, P2P ID, and QR code. Here is the reset button, and here is for the bracket. This is the DC input, antenna interface, Ethernet interface, indicator light, audio in and audio out. Let's start to install it. Firstly, tighten the antenna. And then plug in the power adapter. And then connect the camera to the rotor. Here is the LAN cable, and here is the rotor. Wait 1 minute. Look at the indicator lights. The yellow light keeps blink, and the green light is stable. At the meantime, the camera starts to pan and tilt automatically. This is called self-checking. Now the camera is working. Connection is finished. Next, insert the small CD into your computer and open the CD. Open the CD driver. Choose English folder. OCX setup is for IE browser. Run the search tool. In the search tool, you can see the current computer information, cameras list, and camera information. Choose your camera and click Open. Put username admin. No password. Here you can choose the language. There are 3 modes to sign in. For IE browser, choose the first one. For Firefox, Google browser, choose the second. For mobile phone, choose the third one. Now we are using IE browser, choose the first. When you use IE browser, you should install the plugin. Click here to download it. Installing a player. Installation complete. Refresh the web page and sign in again. Now we can see the video. Here is the operation interface. Record button, snapshot, talk, listen, IR control, signal lamp. Let's go to the background settings. Here is the device status, device firmware version, and device ID. Device ID is the P2P ID. Here you can also choose the language. Here you can name your camera. Wireless LAN settings. Click Scan. Choose your SSID and MAC. Type in the password. Submit. The device is rebooting. During this time, you can disconnect the LAN cable. After restart, refresh the web page or run the search tool again to find the camera IP address. The camera still can be found. That means the Wi-Fi mode is enabled. Log in the camera again. Input admin. Sign in. Now it's working again. Let's continue. Mail service settings. Take Gmail as example. The sender should be your Gmail account. Port should be 465 at TLS. The receiver can be your Gmail account too. Several receivers can be added. Test it after submit. Test succeed. Finish mail service settings. Let's do the alarm service settings. Tick off motion detect armed. Set the sensibility. The smaller value, the more sensitive. Please do the same settings like mine. If you keep the camera page on, it will record for 1 minute when triggered. Let's go to the local record path settings. Record and capture path, where to put the files, video, and photos. If you cannot choose this, please pay attention to your PC system and IE version. Make sure to use the IE browser. Record file length, at least 100 MB. Reserve disk space, at least 200 MB. When your PC disk is less than 200 MB, stop recording. Record cover. This means delete the old files when the disk capacity is not enough. All Vercorscam IP cameras support iPhone and Android phone. User menus can be found in the CD. Vercorscam user menu for iPhone. Vercorscam user menu for Android phone. If you still have problems, please contact us.